Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at conundrums, variables and how they work. But before we get started, a quick fun fact about New Zealand. Did you know that there's a crazy law that states every high school in New Zealand is allowed to hold 1 pound of uranium for conducting nuclear experiments? But if there's an accident, they'll be fined up to $1 million. Anyway, enough of that. Let's get started in variables. So a variable is like a cardboard box. And a cardboard box can hold so many, let's say, apples. So the first thing you want to do is let's create this box. Well, in our instance, we're going to call it tiles. And the tiles are going to be how far I move. So the first thing you do with a variable is set what it's going to start with. So let's go along and use a math block, put a number inside our set variable to what? So we're going to say 4. And we're going to be using this variable called tiles, which contains a value. So let's see what this value is. So what we can do is we can print the variable to our log. So that helps us know what it's set to. So let's go to variables and drag tiles into our snap, lock into the print. So that's a useful thing knowing Conundrum is you can drag a lot of blocks into other blocks and combine them together. So let's just run that. So here you can see the console says 4 because we set tiles to 4. We can also increment it. So if we have a loop, so let's say repeat 10 times, and we're going to print each time. We're going to start off with setting the tiles, and let's change tiles. So here we got. So set tiles to, let's say, 0. We're going to repeat this 10 times. We're going to change the value of tiles by 1 each time, and we're going to print it every time. So let's run this little program. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess you know what the answer is going to be at the end, 10. Okay, so let's get rid of that and let's see if we can set this to 4, and we're going to make our robot move forward 4 tiles. So let's go and find a drive forward tiles. Here we go. So drive forward. How many tiles? Well, we could easily just type in 4. That would be cheating. But we're going to use the variable instead. So we're going to say drive forward, whatever the value of tiles is set to. And let's just print that so we know. I'm going to duplicate that, right click on that, snap that in there, and we're ready to go. So let's click run. You can see the console says 4. And we're driving forward whatever the variable is set to. And there you go. That's a simplistic look at variables and how to use them in Conundrum. Well, until next time, see you later.